Honestly, if y'all remember I cut my damn hair, and this is what we got back here. Oh my gosh, this is crazy.
When we all get rich, that's when we gon' ball out. Yeah, we going well. We just tryna get rich, you know, easy well.
Okay, so I literally am just texting the photographer right now. I was getting nervous, oh my gosh, because I texted him at like 9 o'clock this morning and I was like, please don't be canceled. Why do I have this light on? I don't have my ring light on right now because I did just finish straightening my hair. Look at the growth, y'all. Look at the growth. So right now I'm just gonna like take out some edges so I could do my little doop-dee-doop. But I did block off the bang already. Now I'm going to put this in a ponytail. Yeah, so I'm gonna bring this up as high as I can. Bear with me, I never did this. I thought I would have a stylist help me, but that didn't work out. And y'all know I can do my own damn hair, so like I'm really about to really fuck it up on this channel with y'all. You can do your own hair. You don't need to be paying people to do your hair. The only time I can't do my own hair is when I got braids. So yes, and I'm using a comb right now because that's what we're using. But yes, I do need to cut my ends, but I'm not gonna cut my ends just yet. And I think I'm going to make an appointment when I get to Boston. Look at that thickness, but we do need to keep it even. I think I am gonna make an appointment when I get to Boston so that at least you know, I can get my braids back, because I can only trust one person with my hair, and she already know. Where is that? Oh, I think that fell back here. So I'm actually gonna start off with my Got To Be Extra Glued. It's the clear one. I don't like the white one, but I've also seen a lot of people use this one, and I want to be careful because this is good, but I don't want my hair, like, how you say it, getting non-straight. So I'm just going to slick this and some edge control. I'm so excited about the shoot. So this shoot for me is an ode to like my family members, I would say. Like, it's very Ebony, Jet magazine vibes. Back in the day, living with my grandmother, I definitely could say I loved the Jet magazines. Me and my sister used to collect them, and it was just like so dope every time we would get a new magazine. So I was invited by Posh Studios in Atlanta. Thank you so much, because I was so excited about the shoot. I was invited by them to do the shoot. It's a free 1-hour shoot. And I'm so excited. I really might have to go somewhere after this. I think I'm gonna go skating tonight. I'm gonna see if these girls what they want to do. But yep. So it's a it's a Jet magazine, Black History Month. So I don't know if the pictures will be ready by next week, but if they are, I'm gonna be so excited for them. But yeah, I'm literally just putting this in a high ponytail, as high as I can. Just like that. I'm not looking for perfection. I just want you all to get the idea of what I'm doing with my hair. So now I'm going to braid this. Okay, don't play with me. So now I'm gonna take my hair strips. I think I only need one, but we're gonna just take out two. My glue, make sure this is open. Ooh, what is it? And y'all, let me just tell y'all about this glue. Don't play with yourself, okay? As far as like getting a remover versus just getting hairspray. So I do have hairspray, but I bought the Bond remover because I've actually never used this before. And I was like, you know what? We're gonna use this because just like eyelashes, you do not want to just pull them out. So it's like I kind of don't want to. So you don't want to put it on your hair. So I'm gonna just make sure. I'm gonna make sure that. Oh, I gotta get my blow dryer for this part. Put on my weave. This is 10-inch hair. See, I always leave half the things that I need in the bathroom, and then I'm running back out here because I leave half the things in the bathroom. So I bought this 10-inch synthetic hair. Literally, like, okay. This is gonna look so cute. This is my first time trying to style. I think I mentioned that already. But like, just the idea of me being able to do this, it's like, girl, you know you shit. Okay? Now, I seen a girl do bobby pins. I think I'm gonna do bobby pins as well because I don't want too much glue in my hair. Especially when it's time to take this down. Then I see someone said they use rubber bands. So, I don't know. But I'm starting to wrap from the bottom up. And I think I only need one. If I need two, I'll go back in. Okay, I'm praying y'all can't see that. I don't think y'all can see that. But it looks good so far. I'm pleased. And I'm gonna shape it in some. And I'm about to bump it. It's about to look so cute. Okay, I'll let you go back to sleep. Bye. Alright, yeah, I just had a call real quick. Like, Shantae, who is you? So now I'm gonna actually take it a little bit more out of here, right? And I'm just going to wrap this around the ponytail part because we want to hide that. Secure. And secured! Okay. Yeah, so now I'm just going to spray a little got to be. So now I'm just going to start taking the pieces and hopefully this warms up really quickly. Y'all, it's been a minute. But while that heats up, I just want to tell y'all about the Forever New. This is the premium it's made with Bobbi Boss exclusive premium synthetic fibers. It's safe heating up to 380. So I'm really excited about this. It's definitely one of those hairstyles I might just wear out. I might make a quick little something with it. But I'm happy. Like, when it comes down to hair, my grandma used to do hair. I used to do hair. Me and my sisters used to do hair. and it's just very important for me to be able to pass this on. It was something really important to me to pass it on to my sisters. You know, me and my sister will always do our little sister's hair, but it was just one of those things where it was like, if you do not know how to use a hot comb in that house, you better figure it out, because it was just times when my grandma was just too tired, or we noticed like she was getting older where she couldn't do our hair anymore. So me and my sister, we would experiment. We would be in the room doing each other's hair for Sundays, you know, to get ready for the week, because that's what she taught us. And she would tell us, go up there and you know, do something to your sister's hair. Like really at one point it was just that, like, you're just gonna have to learn how to do your hair. And no, you cannot go to the hair salon. You know why? Because going to the hair salon required money, and she had 3 young girls she had to take care of. So it just was never one of those things that I didn't want to know. I did want to know how to do hair. Like, if my grandma knows how to do it, then shoot, we should know how to do it. You feel me? Okay. I'm so excited about this. I hope I do this right, but we came so far. I know I'm not talking much, but when you gotta get perfection, you ain't talking, okay? This looks so cute. I really hope you all enjoyed this process so far. I actually have to make the headbands for this outfit, and then we'll be together. I have 2 outfits. I think I only have time for 2 outfits, but this looks so cute, and I'm so happy that I did this myself. Talk about it, and I'm gonna just go ahead and do these baby hairs on this side. Okay, so I got my edge right here, and this is gonna allow me to lay the front down. And now I'm gonna start my makeup. I really need to be out here in 30 minutes. So I will be back on here once I finish my makeup. Okay, y'all, because I can't be late to the shoot. But this looks exactly how I want it to look, and can't go wrong with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and then I will be right back.
You know, easy way out. Can't call yourself a boss, so you put your dogs on. All I see is dollar signs all up on my call. All I put my nigga on the 3-way like nigga.